Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Alright. Sorry, done. Alright, so today we are here is ManLikeStunna HighFever. So this artist, I've done a reaction for him before. I think him they had Holland or something like that in the so some of Europe still, but not in the UK. Him reach out to me and say, yo, song drop, reaction. Me say, yo, let's do it. He said, no problem. So I'm a G, the song dropped a couple hours ago. So me say, I'm gonna react to it for him, G, and put it up. So guys, give him some love. I'm gonna drop a link to him YouTube channel. Or a link to this song that take it to the YouTube channel. Just go over there and give him some support and love him. Tell him JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You know what I mean? So let's go. I don't know what to expect. I know what. I know it's named HighFever. So let's see what I did. Let's see what I say. It's the Afrobeat style. You can, when you hear Afrobeat, you have to dance. If you don't dance, something wrong with you. Even if you're asleep and you hear Afrobeat, you have to, you wake up. No joke. So obviously, he started off rapping in I think what, Dutch language, Dutch. I think he's rapping now, which is not English, I don't think. But bad, the flow bad same way. Matching sneakers. Yeah. If I sat this on the beat, you give them two time for me vibe them the seat for me didn't generate with the combo deck. He is rapping in English. He is rapping in fucking English. Yo, the boss have some dance movies say anytime the boss a dance, me have to dance. Anytime the G dance, me have to dance. Even if him not dance, but when me hear the rhythm, me have to dance. No joke. Big up all of the young artists them, you know. Listen, your game have to be up there, bro. And all him need is just more support. He might do it over Holland, help him do it over UK to dog. So support the G. All of my African them, support the G, man. Come on. Yeah. Get a bit. If I sat this on the beat, you give them two time for me vibe them the seat for me didn't generate with the combo deck. Yeah, sweet, melody sweet. Big like one time, sat this on the beat. Let me bring you up to date. Valentine back when you round up fake. Sweet. If you don't notice the girl is dancing in her shorts, in her leggings, in her sneakers, in her flip-flops, in her dress. She can dance into anything. She's just a natural dancer. She bad, dog. Let me bring up yeah. Sweeter than sweet. She the boss in me brain. She dey give me high fever. You know me this thing that can give me fever. Imagine, yeah, just being in a club and hearing this. No matter where you're there, if you're there at the bar or wait for your drinks, if you're there at the toilet a piss, if you're outside and talk to your friend and smoke, if the DJ goes to table out, yo, this song, man, you fuck, let's pull it up again, man. No, sir, pull it up again, man. Let me bring you up to date. Valentine back for you roll up fake. Sweet, sweeter than sweet. She the boss in me. Bad.
Sweet, 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 and the melody sweet. Big vibe one time, if I start this on the beat, yeah, they give them 2 time for me vibe them the seat, but me beat and generate with the combo them. Yeah, sweet, 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 and the melody sweet. Big vibe one time,
everything sweet, melody sweet. Yo, sweet, sweet, sweet. The melody is sweet, the rhythm is sweet, the dancing sweet, the video is sweet, everything sweet. Just go over him page and give him some support, make him feel sweet. What?
Wait, let me bring you up to date. Sweet, 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 and sweeter than sweet. She the boss in me brain, she they give me high fever. You know make this scene that can give me fever.
Scenery nice, the scenery, I love the scenery. You know what I like about this video? It's just 3 people is in this video. And it's so effective. Because of what them a do. And what the rhythm I make them do. It's the dancer girl, the dancer youth, and the artist, stunter. Yo! Yeah. Why I drink a Capri Sun?
Oh yeah, my girl, I'm out of it, adore you, wait. Let me bring you up to date. Valentino bag for you, roll up fake. Sweet, 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 honey, sweeter than sweet. She the boss in me brain, she they give me high fever. Ain't no medicine that can give me fever.
You pro sick in a man. Yeah, really, it done. Can't done already, man. It's too short, man. Mas can dance, man. You can dance, man. Yeah, watch it. I watch it. Yo, brother. Yo, dog. Everything live, apart from one thing. Now, let me talk about the positive first. Brother, the song, bad. Sweet, sweet, sweet. The melody sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. The scene is sweet. You see me? The video itself sweet. The dancing sweet. The rhythm sweet. One thing though. The video too fucking short, brother. The video too short, brother. Video too short, brother. Video too short, brother. Make the video longer, dog. The song too sweet to finish so quick. Brother, big up yourself, yeah, man. This song body and fuck. Me love it, dog. Me love it. Big up yourself, me G. Don't know the thing go. People, go over page and support him. The link to the song will be in the description below. Just click on it. Where it says full song. Click on it. And it takes you straight to him page. To him YouTube channel. Just go subscribe over there for me, please, dog. You understand? Yeah. So this is how we're gonna leave the one, guys. If you enjoyed the one, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright? Peace. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Melody sweet.